Pedro, confident?
No, not at all. I was horrific last year, so thank God I've got Jane Riley because she's amazing apparently.
Good luck to the blue team, give them a round of applause.
But can I just say how much I loved my kitchen rules. I thought the winning couple from Adelaide, who coincidentally are judging today, were absolutely stunning. They deserved every penny of that. How much money was it?
I don't know, lots of money.
Something money. And can I also say, now more than ever, thank God for the salvos. There you go, plug that.
I know I won't give it away, but it's something to do with
3000 BC.
3000 BC.
3000 BC?
Yep.
Elaborate?
Roughly 3000 BC.
Waiting for them to get back.
Alright, good luck, yellow team. We're behind you, and of course we'll come around here to KG. What are your thoughts? Are you confident, sir?
I've got no idea. I'm just going to the ladies here. They've got.
Sure, you can dig deep if it's 10 cents, it's $1, if it's $5. Please give whatever you can because it's a fantastic organisation and of course a fantastic charity as well. Isn't that right, Shayla?
Certainly is, mate. That's why we're here.
Are you working well as a team? Is there anyone not behaving?
But we're all working brilliantly as a team. As you can see, this is really going to raise the stakes in terms of donut decorating the contest.
Game on. Game on. Yes. The red team are serious. I'm popping down to the end now.
Yeah, this is very interesting. Now, tell us what's happening here. Just a sneaky insight. Don't give away your secret.
What you're seeing here is teamwork at its finest. Everyone working together on the same project. Yep, and we're on the same page. We're on the same plate in this case. We are creating it's a creature. It's three-dimensional. You'll notice using some
Jane Riley bribing the judges. Take note. Well, congratulations. This is such a good result. South Australia's pretty good.
SA is amazing, and it's better than height.
Colour, creativity, height, anything else?
Yeah, it has to still look edible.
So it has to look like it tastes good.
Yes, it has to look like it tastes good.
The judges said it has to look like it tastes good. Yeah, it does. It's abstract. And they throw lollies at each other, but we have a bit of fun decorating donuts for the 2014 Salvation Army Red Shield Appeal launch, which is what we're doing here in the mall today. Always so much fun, and always to raise money for a great cause and raise awareness. Yes.
We've all heard of Stonehenge. We have created Donehenge.
Stonehenge.
Brilliant, Jess.
It's a piece of art. It's three-dimensional. It's the cat and mouse classic, but this is it's symbolic because the cat is hungry, and we are trying to help people who are hungry.
Well done to the Salvation Army, and yes, give lots this weekend for the Red Shield Cup.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are at the judging stage. This is the exciting time where we find out who will be the winner. In the past, we've had fights, we've had controversy, and we've had bribes, and this year looks no different. So, girls, I will point out there is some money in one of them. Judges, or officials, I should say. I'm not sure if that's...
That is so weird!
Gentlemen, this is the announcement of the winner. 2014 Donut Challenge.
What a red team!
And you're gonna, I'll count to 3 and then you can yell it out, okay? First place goes to 1, 2, 3.
Red team!
The red team! The red team! Now tell me.
But yeah, it's got good height, you know, an interesting person in there. We think it's quite hilarious actually.
Does it a big round of applause for the Reds?